If you have a policy right now, when did you last actually look what it covers? Most of us buy insurance and then move on. We trust that it is doing what it should. But the policies many women in India are holding right now were bought for the wrong reasons, at the wrong amount, or without the riders that actually protect us. So today, we are looking at the 5 insurance planning gaps that come up again and again for women in India in 2026 and what to do about each one. The 5 gaps we are going to cover are: not having independent cover, choosing a plan based on savings rather than protection, not updating cover after major life events, assuming homemakers do not need a policy, and missing the riders that are built specifically for women's health risk. Stay to the end and you will know exactly what to check on your own policy today. Being a nominee on someone else's policy is not the same as having your own cover. A nominee is the person named to receive the payout when the policyholder passes away. The payout is designed to replace the policyholder's income. It is not structured to cover your earning potential, your own loans, or your contributions to the household. Your income and your contributions to your family have independent financial value. Unless you have a policy of your own, your families have no financial protection for what you earn and what you contribute. A policy in your own name protects that value separately from whatever your spouse holds. The fix: a term plan in your own name, sized to your income and your dependents. Under the ABSLI Her Insurance Suite, Her Care is the term plan built for women with a 9% first-year premium discount and cover available up to 100 years. An endowment plan combines life cover with savings component. You pay premium, you get cover, and if you survive the policy term, you receive a maturity payout. There is a place for this structure, but it is not a replacement for dedicated protection. Here is why the numbers matter. For a 30-year-old woman who is a non-smoker, choosing premium payment term of 30 years with a policy period also of 30 years under the ABSLI Her Insurance Her Care, giving costs roughly around 700 to 900 a month for a 1 crore cover. An endowment plan for the same amount costs 4 to 5 times more. The additional premium goes into the savings component. When you calculate the actual return on the savings element using XIRR, the standard return calculation method for insurance product in India, it typically works out to 4 to 7% per year, which is why an endowment plan works best when savings and cover together are the goal, not the cover alone. These are different products built for different purposes. An endowment plan works well when you want protection and structured savings in one place. A term plan is for when protection is the priority. Also, if you want a savings plan with life cover and guaranteed income built in, Her Nishchit under the ABSLI Her Insurance Suite is worth looking at separately. The cover we buy at 25 when we are single is rarely enough at 32 when we might be married, raising a child, have a home loan, and take care of aging parents. Life changes, cover needs to follow. Review your cover whenever your life changes. A new loan, a child, a salary increase, and parents becoming more dependent. Any of these shifts what your family actually needs. A useful starting point is 10 to 15 times your annual income, accounting for outstanding loans and your dependents' long-term needs. A home loan that your family cannot manage without your income is a direct protection gap if it is not reflected in your cover amount. The fix: review your cover at least once a year and immediately after any major life event. A homemaker manages the home, raises the children, supports the family's day-to-day life, and often cares for elderly parents. The financial cost of replacing that is real, even if it is not reflected in a salary. According to MOSPI's Time Use Survey 2019, the estimated economic value of unpaid domestic work in Indian households is approximately 12 to 15 lakh per year per homemaker. That is what childcare, household management, and caregiving would cost if they had to be hired externally. A term plan for homemaker is typically sized around the cost of continuing the household without her. Cover can start at 25 to 50 lakh and still provide meaningful financial protection for the family. The fix: if you're a homemaker without your own policy, a term plan in your name is where to start. Her Care under Her Insurance Suite is available for homemakers as well as salaried women. Riders are optional add-ons you attach to a base term plan for small additional premium. 2 are worth knowing about specifically as women. The first is critical illness rider. When Mohini, a 34-year-old working in Pune, is diagnosed with cervical cancer 2 years into her term plan, her critical illness rider pays out a specific amount immediately. That money goes towards treatment without her touching her savings or family's emergency fund. Her base cover stays intact. What makes this rider particularly relevant for us is that certain plans include women-specific conditions: breast, ovarian, cervical, uterine and vaginal cancers, severe osteoporosis, systemic lupus erythematosus and scleroderma. Under her care in her insurance suite, the critical illness rider covers all of these when added to the base plan. The second is the waiver of premium rider. If you are diagnosed with a critical illness or become disabled, this rider waives all future premiums and keeps your policy active. For us as women who might take a career break, this means your cover continues even if your income stops. The fix. When reviewing or buying a policy, check whether the critical illness rider includes women-specific conditions and whether the waiver of premium rider is available. 3 questions that come up often when we are thinking this through. Is life insurance worth it for women who is earning independently? Yes. Your income protects your family's lifestyle, your parents' support, and your outstanding loans. Without a policy in your name, none of that has financial protection if something happens to you. A term plan is one of the low-cost financial decisions you can make relative to what it protects. Is term insurance worth it for a woman who already has savings? Yes. Term insurance is not about returns. It is about replacing your income for your family if you are not there. A ₹1 crore cover costs roughly 500 to 700 a month for a woman in her late 20s. Savings built over time. A term plan protects the people who depend on your income right now. Should protection and savings be kept in separate plans? For most women, yes. A term plan addresses your coverage needs directly. If you also want a savings plan with life cover and guaranteed income, Har Nishchit under the ABSLI Har Insurance Suite keeps those 2 goals separate without compromise. Combining both in a single endowment plan often means you end up with less cover than your situation requires. 5 gaps, all addressable. Go through your own policy today and ask, do I have an independent cover in my own name? Is it sized for my current life stage? When did I last review it? Do I have the riders that cover my specific risk as a woman? Links to Her Care, Har Nishchit and Her Growth under the ABSLI Har Insurance Suite are in the description. I have also linked ABSLI's Women's Insurance Checklist in the description below. Give that a like if it helped and subscribe for the next video in this series.